we just got here, right? And we're getting pulled over. I don't know why. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. Let's see why this fool decided to pull us over at a car meet. Let's see.
Hey, sir.
How's it going?
Hey, the reason I stopped for tinted windows.
Okay.
In fact, it's your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please.
Yeah, no worries.
Are you aware you cannot have tinted windows in the front?
Yeah, I'm aware.
Okay. Is there a reason why you still have it?
I just have kind of skin problems.
Okay.
So that's the only reason why.
You have your registration?
Yes, I do. Let's see. Yeah, let's see right there. There we go. You need insurance, you said?
Yeah, what do you have?
I have, I got State Farm. It's on my phone.
State Farm? Okay.
Yeah.
Just stand by and I'll be right with you, okay?
Okay. I get pulled over so many times, bro. It's been a minute since I've been pulled over. This is actually my first time since I've been out here in San Diego, like SoCal. And, yeah, it's been a year. Actually, I've been out here and I've never got pulled over. I kind of knew that's why he was pulling me over, because I had my windows up.
Here's my car.
Yes, sir.
I'll get you a few pics.
Okay, thank you.
Are you like, I see the camera.
Yeah, I'm a content creator.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's your account?
It's IAMROBERTWILIAMSS. Yeah. Once you get that, it links to everything else: TikTok, YouTube, all of that.
Why are you getting pulled over? Do you know?
Tint. Yeah.
Doesn't look that dark.
It's the side windows that are tinted. Yeah, but you know, we even got an audience over here. That's funny. Come on, bro, you make me miss the show. Or not even a show. It's car meet. Hurry up. Give me the tickets so I can dip. I'm not taking the tint off. That's the funniest part, bro. I'm not taking the tint off. I'm just gonna pay it. Because if I take the tint off, I'm gonna have to take the tint off, and then I'm gonna have to pay the ticket, and then pay to get the tint back on. That's a waste of time.
Keep your distance. All right. No worries. No worries. You're good. All right, sir. Hey, listen. So I'm gonna issue a citation for the tinted windows.
Okay.
And if I can have you sign on the right box.
Okay.
I made it correctable, even though you know you can't have it.
Okay.
So if you keep on getting pulled over, it's gonna be non-correctable.
Okay. Okay.
So if I can have you sign on the right box, by signing there, you're not admitting to any guilt.
Okay.
You're just making a promise to appear in court. And if you have any further questions or information, that's listed at the bottom of the citation.
Okay. Yeah. Is it? Oh, okay, right there.
Yeah. So just once you're done, once you take off the tent, just take it in. Have
Sign
you
it,
been
okay.
pulled over before for this?
I haven't. Not in this car now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know how it works then?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so do you know how to get back to where you're going?
Yeah, I was just going to the little meet right here.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Have a good one. I don't know what I appreciate, but I said it anyways. First ticket in SoCal. Let's go, baby. Like I said, I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. It's just a petty ticket. So the real reason why we woke up early on this Saturday morning is to come to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. Now this is the only place I know that they check your credit score to enter. I'm just kidding. It took us a minute to find parking, and now I know why you're supposed to get here early. You guys know we love our GT2s and our GT3s. This is the GT3, you can tell by the grille up front. Only thing I would change about this car is the tips. I don't know why blue tips kind of grew out, for me at least, but the big wing, I love white with the yellow calipers. Here's the carbon buckets in there too. Dog, this is so sick. Now what I would do for my lineup in my garage, I would have a GT3 RS, the 992, and then I'd take the 911 GT2 RS. I think that's like the perfect lineup. We have a Carrera GT. I'm almost certain that this is Doug DeMiro's car. Brown interior. I know because he always has the top off. It's clean though. And he's the only one that I know out in SC that has one. Definitely would be a car that I want to own one day, for sure. For sure. R34. And I do the same exact thing, dude. I Nismo it out. Imagine it sitting next to the 370. I mean, obviously this is a car of a different caliber, right? Sitting next to the 370 Nismo, but still. So sick. I think I've sat in one 720S, but this is definitely a car that we would have to own one day, bro. This is like the real spaceship. Even the paddles are carbon fiber. This is so sick, dog. Like, I don't care what people say about McLaren. They're sick. So sick. Yeah, carbon ceramic brakes. Man, you have carbon fiber in the headlights, carbon fiber right there, carbon fiber side mirrors. Dog. I've always said it though. I definitely want to own a 720. What? This is clean. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what Ferrari this is. We got the satin white. Hopefully got the carbon lid. Dog. These wheels.
Yeah, like it broke flat right there.
This is clean. I just can't get over it. I just love like that body line right there that goes to the van. Also, it is PPF. I don't know if it's satin PPF, but I mean, it should definitely be PPF. Actually, it is. You can kind of see a little crack right there, yeah. Wow, this is a satin PPF. That's crazy. Even the interior, dog, the seats are white. This is definitely my spec right here. I would take this car so fast. Obviously, right? I mean, who wouldn't? The reason why I made that comment earlier about us being in Rancho Santa Fe and them checking their credit is because, if you guys don't know, Rancho Santa Fe is a very, 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 very wealthy area in San Diego. We got a GT2 RS that has carbon everywhere, dog. Front lip. We got the grille. We got the vents on the fender. We got the mirrors. Even that little square on the mirrors. You can tell he drives it though, because it looks like the lip has like a little, ooh, that hurts so bad, bro. That hurts so bad. It's clean though, it's still clean. It even has carbon on the rear vent too. Man, there's carbon everywhere, dog. The way my mouth dropped, dog. There is no way. I'm gonna try not to get my shadow in it, but dog, like, the steering wheel is carbon, and then even the door panel is carbon. Dog, this is crazy. There's actually a lot of cars out there that I take this over. Also, another detail, small detail. Look how small the keyhole is. It's like the only thing that's on the door. It's kind of random. Sheesh. Nice car, big dog. All right, let's go ahead and head out. I'm not going to lie. Your man today was a terrible judge when it came to weather. It is freaking hot out here and I have pants and a sweater on. I just misjudged it, you know, like I say all the time. It says it's gonna be like 65 degrees. Guys, I'm telling you, it'd be like feeling like it's 75, 80 degrees out here. It is crazy. I don't think I've ever showed you guys like a proper flyby in this car, and I feel like this is like the perfect road to do so. So let's do it. How did that sound to you guys? How did that sound? Did it sound good? Did it not sound good?
Keep
So to kind of give you guys an idea what I mean by Rancho Santa Fe is like very, very wealthy, let's just look to our left and let's just admire the view here. Look at that house, big dog. I don't even know if you guys can't see it because there's trees in the way. Look at that, there's a car coming. I'm trying. Look at this. That's crazy, yo. That's crazy. Now the thing with over here is, because like this place like has money, like everybody over here, like the houses over here, bro, they're multi-million-dollar homes. You can't really see them, right? Like it's blocked by trees or by a gate, or like you have to go down and then to the house. That's why there's like a lot of trees over here. Like for example, right? Come over here, you just see a driveway, right? But throw it all, like these houses, dog, like these houses are insane over here, guys. Like look, we got a private drive over here. Now call me crazy, but all I'm saying is my oil temps are now lower since we did the Z1 undershroud. All I'm saying is right after our old undershroud ripped, I noticed that my oil temps were higher than they normally were, right? They were like around like 200 degrees on like a day like this, where like it's hot, but it's not really that hot, right? Because the thing is, like as you're driving, like cool air comes in, unless it's like 80 degrees, and it's a different story. But I noticed it, right? Because right after it ripped again, they were high, and then we replaced it, and then now it's sitting back where it used to be, which is around like 180. Right now it's 176, which it would never be at 176 on a day like this. So I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, where their undershroud ripped, and then their oil temps went up, and then they replaced it, and then the oil temps went back down. It's weird because you would think that more air means cooler, but in this case I guess not. I don't know, it's weird. I also saw that they replaced our boost sensor, you know, the one that tells us how much boost we're running like at full throttle. I just have to find the courage to buy it because the sensor's like that big. It's like 80 bucks. It's clearly wrong though, because I should not be sitting at 1 pound at idle. That's crazy. 170. That would never be a thing, bro. That's crazy. It's crazy how much change undershroud could do to a car, dog. Now what's next is going to be this fender liner, because of the fact that we had these fenders rolled, because we have two 85s in the front, and the fender liner sits on the lip that we rolled. So because of the fact that it no longer exists, it comes down, and yeah, we just got to replace it because like this one's ripped. It's donezo. I was in NorCal literally a couple days ago. We'll say like last week, right? It was so freaking cold, bro. Like I was in awe. Like I was legit in awe. I told my dad, I was like, bro, like what's going on? Like, is God mad, or why is it so cold outside? You know, I still have to say, like, it's such a nice day. Like, look, I got shorts on, Crocs, and a short sleeve shirt. You know what I mean? Like, this is me. This is the vibe that I like. I like walking around and chilling. I don't like being cold. I hate being cold. That's like one of my pet peeves. I hate being cold. And so that's why SoCal, you know, it's just a place for me. You know, not really much to say other than that. This cordless vacuum cleaner, this handheld vacuum cleaner is fire. We gotta get one. We're headed down to SD later on, actually in about 2 hours or so. Pretty much after I get done washing this car. I already put gas in this, so yes, we're taking this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I told y'all I was done spending money at the car washes. 20 bucks to wash my car? That's outrageous. One thing about me is I like to dress nice, and this is easily one of the hardest shirts that I have in my closet. The camo with the tan and then the sleeve that shows the camo, dog. This is clean for sure. It's my first time wearing this too. Now I do personally think that I did ruin it with these bright white shoes. It would have been better with like black and tan shoes, but I ain't got none, so it is what it is. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. When you're wearing white shoes and you're driving stick, or just, I guess automatic too, you wanna put blue tape, painter's tape, because you don't wanna leave like any residue on the heel. And that's because that's really how you get your heels dirty when you're wearing all white shoes, is when you're driving for the most part, right? That's why it's always dirtier on the heels with white shoes. So just put some tape and you'll be good. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end the video, right? Told you guys we were coming down to San Diego, so we're here and I'm just gonna like spend the rest of the day / night like out here just enjoying my time, right? But before I end the video, I just want to show you guys a little quick surprise, right? Ready? 1, 2. 3.
Follow us for more. Who's us? I don't know, bruh. Nice, right? Bought it myself. Hard work always pays off, you know?
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap.